Okay, we're in the Swift Edge 476. It's a 6 berth, 6 belted seats. Now we're just checking this off and we're just making the bed up at the front. So I'm just going to quickly show you how to make the bed up. So we've got the table, slots down like so, and then this fits in like that. And then we have, I've lost my cushions. That slots in like that. That comes forward. That drops down. And then it comes over like this. And there you go, you've got a bed. So, bed's all made up, and we found this piece, and we found this piece. So, where do they fit, you might ask? We have a clue because you have got this little piece here. So, something is happening here or here. So what we did is we googled it to try and copy and find out if anybody knew, because we couldn't find it in any instructions. We had a look on YouTube, and every single dealer, everybody else who was making the bed up only made it up like this. So it was a challenge. We had to find out, and in the end we sussed it. So this piece here slots into there, it's into the groove, that sits into there. Just get that right. And if you can just see, there we go, that holds it into place. And then our cushion, oops, goes into there. So if you've got a Swift Edge 476 and you've got 2 extra pieces, now you know what they're for. So if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like us, and even more important, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.